Guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Nicole, your trusted Bulacan Realtor. O, diba guys, nakita nyo yung exterior design ni Eminenza na may nakapark. Para alam mo na kapag lumipat ka dito, kitang-kita mo na yung carport mo spacious enough for a sedan. Pwede nga din ng SUV, guys, eh. May garden space ka pa dito sa harap. O, diba? Marami na pong nakatira dito sa Eminenza 3, located at Bayani Road, Barangay Tungco, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Na 1-minute drive lang, nasa Quirino Highway ka na. 3 minutes away. Actually, 2 minutes nga lang eh. Grace Hospital. 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Star Mall sa SM San Jose del Monte. Diba? Napaka-prime ng location. Sobrang ganda. That is Eminenza 3. And guys, mind you, we have both pre-selling and ready for occupancy. So, ito, model rin itong pinapakita ko. I just want to let you know, guys, na kapag tinurn over namin sa'yo ang unit dito sa Eminenza 3, yung tile 60 by 60, white paint, this this kitchen top, ayan o, yung size nyo, synthetic granite slab, oh. Diba guys, ang bongga, ang ganda ng turnover ng kanyang kitchen. Diba guys, no? So, dito, may kita mo na agad na quality-wise, ang ganda talaga ni Eminenza. Kita nyo rin yung door nila. Ganda, oh. Ganda nung design, pati nung door. Yan kasi may space pa yan dyan for the, service area. Laundry area. Ito sa gilid. May space pa yan talaga dyan. O, diba guys? And this is going to be your dining area. So, ito, sa model unit lang to. Pwede nyo rin gayahin as inspiration, diba? O, this is like minimalist modern style. Diba, no? It's so nice. Ayan, 4-seater. Pwede mo pa nga itong gawing 6-seater dining table. Depende sa klase ng ng dining table na bibilin mo. Diba, guys? Beautiful Eminenza. Ayan, we are using long span roofing on steel frame. We have PE foam insulation, aluminum windows, steel handrail, painted wall, and groove finish. Reinforced concrete, okay? Single attached po ito, attached to the firewall, okay? So, steel door, pebble wash na yung turnover. Yan, Eminenza 3 exterior material specifications. Guys, we only have I think, wala na po sa 10 units yung natitira. 8 na lang. Siguro pag napanood mo tong video ko, baka 5 or less than 5 na lang yung units dito. Kasi very prime ang location nito, guys. San Jose del Monte, may MRT 7 dito. Malapit siya sa MRT. Tapos, syempre, 100% non-flooded area. May community na. So, makakalipat ka na pag RFO yung pinili mo. Pag pre-selling, syempre, dahil installment yung down payment, wait ka na ma-full DP ka muna, diba? Bago ma-turn over. Tapos, ang maganda, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Ang ganda ng CR mo sa baba. Dito, oh, kay Alta Eminenza. And the good thing about it, guys, pag may elderly kayo, meron na siyang room sa baba. Ayan. And bonus na lang na talagang kasama na yung kanyang tinatawag natin sa Eminenza lang yung nag-o-offer ng ganito sa mga hawak kong projects. Yung may built-in cabinets. Ayan o. Diba? Ang ganda. Pag may elderly kayo, meron ka ng kwarto sa baba. But wait, there's more. Napaka-generous ng ating developer dahil ngayong buwan ng March until, hanggang lang to, meron lang siyang certain time sa April na yung promo na less than 400,000. Yes, you heard it right, guys. Mamaya, manoorin nyo to hanggang sa dulo. Papakita ko yung sample computation. Less 400,000 discount. Napakalaki nun. Akyat muna tayo sa taas bago ang lahat. Ito yung ating stairs turnover, diba? It's very nice. Look at that, diba? Ang elegant niya tignan. Tapos ito yung magiging turnover ng tiles niya sa second floor. Dito muna tayo sa bedroom number 2, diba? May 1 bedroom sa baba. Bedroom number 2 mo sa taas. Oh my gosh. Kasama na tong, ayan o, kasama na yung built-in cabinet on this side and also on this side. Another built-in cabinet. Look at your bedroom number 2. Eminenza 3 residences ready for occupancy and pre-selling available. Let's go to the master's bedroom. This is Wow, this is your master's bedroom. Look at that. Double bed. No. This is actually queen size and even king size. Could fit in here. Look at that, guys. Your master's bedroom na mayroong napakalaking built-in cabinets. Just look at that. Look how big your built-in cabinets is. And meron na siya, magkakaroon siya ng provision for the aircon. O, di ba guys, ang bongga. You have a very nice, spacious, minimalistic house and lot in the prime location of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan na may 400,000 discount pa. Saan ka pa? Ang taas ng ceiling nito, ayan o. Nakikita niyo yung ceiling na yan, guys. Yan o, ayan. O, diba? Perfect sa iyong favorite chandelier or drop lights. Very nice. And ito naman, yung kanyang bathroom door, ang ganda. Diba? Ang ganda ng design. Hindi yung typical na white lang. So, this is going to be your bathroom number 2. O, diba? Yung nakikita nyo na fixtures na yan, guys, included na sa turnover, yung mga bathroom fixtures na yan. There you have it. This is Eminenza 3 Residences. Ready for occupancy and pre-selling available. And of course, let's talk about the sample computation before anything else. Before anything else, sample computation tayo. Okay? Alright, so here we go, guys. For the sample computation, Eminenza 3 Residences, our net selling price is this. Ayan. Net selling price natin yan, guys. Ibawas na natin yung ating big promo, big discount of 400,000. Less 400,000, kaya magiging ito na lang siya. Yan, nakikita nyo naman, di ba, guys? And then, after that, yung ating reservation. Ayan, that's our reservation. Ayan. And for the down payment, guys, ito po ang ating down payment. Yan. So, yung balance mo, guys, ilo-loan natin yun sa bank, okay? Bank financing po dito. Wala pong Pag-ibig, wala pong in-house. Bank financing po tayo, okay? So, dito po, cash payment or bank financing or by request kung gusto nyo ng deferred, okay? And, guys, meron tayo dito nakaseparate sa net selling price niya yung kanyang miscellaneous fee. Ayan, nalagay ko na rin. Ayan. So, yan yung miscellaneous fee na payable kung natapos nyo na yung inyong down payment. So, ayan po siya. Ayan. So, this is Eminenza 3 Residences. Guys, bawal po mag-walk-in dito. Very strict ang guard natin dito kasi nga may community na. So, bawal mag-walk-in. Kung gusto nyo mag-viewing, tripping, exclusive appointment with me, syempre, dapat mag-match ang schedule natin. Kontakin mo lang ako sa Viber and WhatsApp number ko na nakikita mo ngayon sa screen. Ayan, 0917-114-2422. Ayan, pwede dito online reservation, pwede sa office. Ang office ni developer is malapit lang po dito mismo sa subdivision. Okay, guys? Ayan. At syempre, visit my website na pangalan ko lang naman, www.nicoleshane.com. Yan po yung aking website, guys. Bisitahin niyo yan. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para updated kayo lagi sa mga magandang projects sa Bulacan area kasi hawak ko po ang buong Bulacan projects. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me today and I hope you all have a nice day.